Okay everyone, so let's begin by coming onto our mats and just coming into a comfortable seated position. I'm going to be in cross-legged. If for whatever reason you cannot be in cross-legged or it's just not comfortable, feel free to sit on a pillow or a block. Feel free to take the legs out long. Just sit somewhere that you can be with a nice long spine. Take the hands down onto the knees and close the eyes. And we're not going to be here very long. We're just taking a moment to start to deepen the breath. Take a few deep inhales. Let go of the exhales. And just start to settle your body down here. Start to feel this grounding sensation through your sit bones, through any part of your body that connects to your mat. And send your breath deeply down into the belly. And we'll take one more full deep breath here, maybe the deepest breath that you have taken all day long. And then after the exhale, we can gently open back up through the eyes and we can start to link up a little bit of movement with these nice deep breaths. So as we inhale, we're going to reach both hands all the way up to the sky, draw the palms together at the top, and then exhale, the hands come through center. And again, we take a big inhale, we reach the hands up a little bit higher, starting to really stretch the back and the waist. Exhale, hands through center. Third, final time, reaching up, maybe looking up in between the fingertips. And then exhale, the hands come all the way down through center. Nice, take another inhale to reach the hands up, and we're going to keep this connection between movement and breath. So as we exhale, we're going to plant the right hand down and reach over with the left. As we inhale, we're going to come back up through center, and as we exhale, take it the other side, reaching through the right fingertips. Inhale to come up, exhale to reach. Inhale to come up, exhale to reach. And just link up this movement in time with your own breath, so don't worry about how fast I'm going. Just taking this in your own time. Every inhale, we're reaching up tall with the fingertips. Every exhale, we're stretching out the side body. Let's take one more big reach each side just to even ourselves out. And then wherever you are, we will meet back at the top, back in center. Take a nice big inhale to reach up tall. And as we exhale, plant the right hand and reach over towards the right. Nice, hold it here. And if it feels good to stay still, maybe you want to stay still, or maybe we start to spiral the chest open, send the shoulder back, and we can start to make some big circles with the left arm. Just bringing as much movement and mobility in through the shoulder joint as we can. We're opening the chest, we're releasing the upper back. Let's take one more. And then the next time that we have the hand reaching up, we're going to stop. We're going to come up with a nice long spine. Bring the left hand onto the right knee. Bring the right hand out behind your hip and open into your twist. Take a few deep breaths here, twisting from our belly button. Opening the chest towards the side of the room. And then maybe picking up that back hand and reaching all the way over. Elongating through the right hand side of your waist. Take one more full breath here. And then come all the way back up, just passing through your twist, and come back into center. Take a few big rolls through the shoulders. And then back to stillness. Nice. Let's inhale, take those hands up one more time. As we exhale, plant the left hand, reach over towards the right. The left. Inhale, reach up. Exhale, reach across. Inhale, reach. Exhale, bend. Again, just linking up this movement in time with your own breath. So moving fast or moving slow, just whichever is serving you at this moment. Let's take one more each side, or just to even ourselves out. And then the next time that we come up through center, we stop. We reach both fingertips up nice and high. Take a nice big inhale. And then as we exhale, we plant the left hand and we reach over with the right. We hold it here. Take a few deep breaths, breathing into the side of the rib cage, into the upper back. And if we want to find the same movement as we did on the other side, maybe we think about opening the shoulder, opening the chest up to the sky, and then we can take that top arm into some big circles. These circles can be as big as your shoulder allows, or you can keep them nice and small if that feels better. Let's take one more. And then the next time that we have the hand reaching up, we're going to reach it up high, come back up into seated, drop that right hand onto the left knee, bring the left hand out behind your hip and open into your twist. Once again, twisting from your center, relaxing the shoulders. And if it works for your body, maybe picking up the back hand and starting to reach all the way up and all the way over towards the corner of the room. If you're in a square room. If you're in a circle room, that's not going to work. Take one more big breath here into the left-hand side of the waist. And then slowly come all the way back up. Release yourself back through center and just take a few big rolls through the shoulders. Nice. From here, we're going to take the left leg out on a little bit of a wide-legged position, so a little bit wider than your hips, and keep the right knee bent in. We're going to turn our bodies to face over that straightened leg, and we're going to inhale to reach the hands up. As we exhale, we're going to drop the body over that leg. And then as we inhale, we're going to come all the way back up. Exhale, come down. We can trace down the sides of the legs. Inhale, back up. Exhale to fold. Inhale to reach. So just gently opening up the hamstrings here. Every time we exhale, we might start to notice that we may get a little bit lower over that leg. And then the next time that we fold down, we might stop right here. Take the hands either side of the legs, take a few deep breaths. Let the shoulders and the head hang nice and heavy. Breathing into the hamstrings. Take one more full breath here. And then slowly walk both hands all the way up towards the hips. We're going to bring the left leg in and we're going to release the right leg out long, again in that wide-legged position. So it's wider than your hips. And it doesn't matter if this knee is straight or whether we want to find a nice deep bend through the knee, that's up to you. But again, we're going to turn the body to face over that straightened leg. We're going to inhale to reach the hands up, and as we exhale, we can fold the body forwards and trace up the leg. Inhale to lift, exhale to lower. Inhale to lift, and exhale to lower. And it doesn't matter if your body is coming all the way down over that leg or if we're keeping it up nice and high. Just whatever is serving you today. We're breathing deeply into the backs of the legs, into the hamstrings. And then the next time that we exhale, we're going to plant the hands either side of that leg and then release the head, release the shoulders. Just let the body drape forwards. And take a few deep breaths. And then after your next full exhale, we can walk the fingertips back up towards the hips. We're going to bring both feet onto the floor with the knees bent up, and keep your feet maybe hip distance apart or maybe a little bit wider. The choice is yours. Maybe try both and see what feels better. But just lean your upper body back, plant the hands on the floor, and we're just going to find a few little windshield wipers with the knees from side to side. Just thinking about releasing any tension, any tightness out of the hips, out of the lower back. Let's take one more each side, or just enough to even ourselves out. And then eventually we'll come all the way back up and into a comfortable seated position. And to finish, we're going to inhale to reach those hands up nice and high, draw the palms together, and then exhale your hands back to your heart. And thank you so much for practicing with me today. I hope you feel a little bit better than you did at the beginning, of this practice. If you like this video, please give it a like. If you would like to see more, please subscribe, and have a lovely rest of your day. Namaste.